In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zoom in Gmail in just 3 minutes. Let's jump right in. To get started, open up your Gmail account. Once you're logged in and all settled into your inbox, let's take a look at the interface. Our target here is to access the add-ons section. You'll want to keep an eye out for a small plus icon or the prompt that says Get Add-ons. Typically, you'll find this on the right-hand side panel of your Gmail interface. Clicking on this icon will lead us to the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is where all the magic happens. When you're in the marketplace, navigate to the search bar at the top and type in Zoom for Gmail. It's crucial to ensure you're pulling up the correct application, so take a moment to double-check if the icon and name you find match your expectations. This will help you minimize the hassle of downloading the wrong tool and having to start over. Once you've found the Zoom for Gmail add-on, go ahead and proceed with the installation. At this stage, you'll notice the application prompting you to allow Zoom access to your Gmail account. By clicking Continue, you'll be providing the necessary permissions. This access is vital as it facilitates easier integration with your emails and calendar, thus enhancing Zoom's functionality within Gmail. Once that's done, it's time to sign in with your Gmail account to link it with the Zoom application. If you primarily use one Gmail account with Zoom, make sure to use that one for seamless syncing of your meetings and calendar events. Now, the Zoom add-on will ask for your permission to access certain features of your Google account, such as reading and composing emails and accessing the calendar. This access ensures that you can generate Zoom meeting links or schedule meetings directly from your inbox. Super convenient, right? Next up, you'll need to sign into your Zoom account from this setup. Pay close attention to any pop-up windows or additional prompts that guide you through this login process. This step is crucial as linking both accounts will allow you to manage meetings efficiently and hassle-free. After you've successfully installed and logged into your Zoom account, return to your Gmail and open any email. You should now notice a Zoom icon in the right side panel of your Gmail screen. This icon is essentially your gateway to all the convenient Zoom functionalities directly from Gmail. Finally, with this setup, you have multiple options. You can choose to schedule a meeting in advance, plan your agenda, and send invites. Or, if you find yourself needing to host an impromptu meeting, you can start an instant meeting with just a few clicks right from your Gmail. And there you have it. You've seamlessly set up Zoom in Gmail, enhancing both your productivity and communication channels. Give it a try and enjoy the ease of managing your meetings without ever having to leave your inbox. Happy Zooming!